Did a Dinosaur Drink This Water by Robert E. Wells. I have a question for you to begin. What are some places where we find water? Right, lakes, ocean, rivers, beaches, in our house? And why do we need water? Why is water important? Right, we need it for washing and drinking and cooking. We need the water. But did you know that a dinosaur might have drank the water that you're drinking right now? Let's check it out. Did a Dinosaur Drink This Water by Robert E. Wells. He's author and illustrator. Every living thing needs water. Without it, flowers and apples, trees will never grow. Fish live in the water, ducks swim on top of water, and people need to drink it every day. Water dissolves minerals and food, substances, or nutrients and carries them inside living things. Look at the way when you water an apple tree that the water dissolves inside the soil and then it's absorbed by the roots to go back into the tree. The tree trunk. The leaves use the water, air, and the sun's energy to produce nutrients for the apples. When you eat an apple, those vitamins and nutrients are digested in your body and they're mostly made of water. Then your body is mostly made of water and carries the nutrients to every part of your body. That's why we need to drink water, because water helps your body work, giving you the energy to do everything you want to do. Water comes in three forms. There's a liquid, see this liquid cup, a solid, you see the ice here, the solid, and when it's heated, it evaporates. Remember we talked about that a lot? Remember at recess when the water and the sun came out and heated the water, it evaporated and turned into a water vapor, or what we call an invisible gas. On a warm day, there's nothing more refreshing than a glass of ice cold water. I want some water right now. But the water we drink every day isn't new. It's been recycled, not just once, but thousands of times. And that's what we call the water cycle. The water we drink today is made up of the same tiny particles, which are called molecules. Say that with me. Molecules that have been on Earth for billions of years. Some of these molecules may have been in a water hole that a dinosaur drank from 150 million years ago. Can that be? Can the water I'm drinking be the same, have the same molecules and particles in it just like the dinosaurs drank? But we're going to learn more. Stay tuned. We're going to learn all about the water cycle. Get ready.
Smile and learn. Hello, friends. They told me you don't know what the water cycle is. Is that true? Don't worry, I'll explain it in a jiffy. I know it by heart. I've traveled the water cycle many times. The water cycle is the process during which water circulates around the planet through the seas, the land, and the sky. All this happens thanks to solar energy. There are three stages in the water cycle that I'll explain along my journey: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. You can't travel with me, but we'll be in touch through this camera, so you'll be able to see the whole process of the water cycle, alright? Hello, do you copy? Right now, I'm in the sea. This is where the journey begins. Do you see the sun in the sky? The sun is in charge of warming the water, changing it into vapor. Vapor goes up in the sky. This process is called evaporation. Evaporation also happens in rivers, dams, and lakes found on Earth, but to a lesser extent. Brr, it's so cold! Owing to lower temperatures, vapor cools once it goes up in the sky, and it turns into tiny droplets of water that form clouds. This process is called condensation. Droplets come together, they become bigger droplets and fall on the ground because of gravity. This is how rainfall is produced. If it's even colder, snow or sleet are formed during the same process. We call this precipitation. This is the part I like best. Time to fall back on the ground. Whoa! Here we are again on the ground, and the water cycle starts over. What a day! The water cycle is exhausting. Let's go through what we recorded. The water cycle is the route the water follows over the land surface, changing through different states. The first stage which we have looked at is evaporation. This is when water changes into vapor thanks to sun heat. Water vapor goes up to the sky to form clouds thanks to condensation. When water vapor cools, tiny droplets are formed and they come together for precipitation to happen. That's all about the water cycle. See you around, friends!
Do you want to keep on learning? Try for free our Smile and Learn platform for a month and enjoy all of our games, videos, and interactive stories. Go for it! Download Smile and Learn on your mobile, tablet, or PC.